Today we are going to discuss the movement which was launched by Mahatma Gandhi against the Rowlatt Act of 1919. Question 1. Why did Mahatma Gandhi decide to launch a nationwide Satyagraha movement against the proposed Rowlatt Act? Question mark. Answer. On 6th April 1919, Mahatma Gandhi launched launched a nationwide Satyagraha movement against the proposed proposed Rowlatt Act because of full stop. Point 1. Sub point A. In 1916, the Champaran Champaran Satyagraha Satyagraha movement against oppressive oppressive plantation of indigo indigo full stop. Point B, sub point B. In 1917, the peasant the peasants Satyagraha movement of Kheda Kheda district district in Gujarat full stop. Sub point C. In 1918, cotton mill workers Satyagraha movement of Ahmedabad Ahmedabad in Gujarat full stop. Paragraph change. These movements these movements emboldened encouraged Mahatma Gandhi to launch a nationwide Satyagraha movement against the proposed Rowlatt Act. Full stop. 1 point is over. Point 2. The Rowlatt Act gave the British government in India enormous enormous powers to repress political activities, activities. Full stop. Third point, it allowed allowed the detention detention of Indian political POLITICAL, political prisoners, 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 prisoners without any trial, TRIAL, any trial for a period of, PERIOD, period of up to 2 years, full stop. Fourth point, Mahatma Gandhi felt, FELT, felt that this act, THIS, this act would, WOULD, would weaken, WEAKEN, weaken the national freedom, FREEDOM, freedom struggle, 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 full stop. 5. This act was an unjustful, 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 UNJUST, unjustful, FUL, unjustful law, 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 full stop. Example, the, the infamous, INFAMOUS, infamous Jallianwala Bagh, JALLIAN, 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 Jallianwala, WALLA, Jallianwala, again JALLIAN, WALLA, Jallianwala Bagh, 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 was, WAS, was result of the Rowlatt Act, full stop. Answer is over. Children, listen. यह क्वेश्चन 2021 जो मार्च में एग्जामिनेशन होगा CBSE का, उसमें मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है, इसको बढ़िया से पढ़ना है। थैंक यू फॉर द डे।